Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jamo TV HD. We out here with a Nintendo Switch, and right about now, we out here with the officially licensed GoPlay Gripstand pack for the Nintendo Switch. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for quite a while, you'll know that I've been on the search for literally some of the best grips for the Nintendo Switch. We've tried one of these ones from Skull & Co. And we've even tried one of these ones, a straight calm ting from Amazon YCC team. But now we got an official licensed ting. So yeah, obviously, you know, we're going to do a little unboxing and see wagwan. So obviously, just in case you was wondering, the Switch is not included. Works as a viewing stand when playing and with detached Joy-Con controllers apparently. And there in the bottom left corner, you've got the officially licensed logo ting. Let you know that they're on this thing obviously. Pack includes GoPlay Gripstand cleaning cloth. And that's about it. I think there's another pack you can get that comes with a case as well. Provides comfortable grip, blah blah blah. Do you know what? Let's just get into it. Let's just get in this thing, fam. From America, you know, had to get it from America. For some reason, this is not in the UK. You can't cop this in the UK. You literally can't. Do you know what? Let me show you this quickly. Alright, so when you're on Amazon Prime US and you type in Nintendo Switch grip, look at all these things you find. This is the one that I'm unboxing right now. RDS Industries Nintendo GoPlay grip. You got these things which are on Amazon UK. You got these things, Skull & Co, which is not released in the UK yet either. You got the GoPlay travel pack that comes with the case as well. You got bare things when you're searching from the US. But if you go into settings, go country and language and change your thing to United Kingdom. Now pre this now. And you type in Nintendo, what is it? Nintendo Switch grip, fam, you get all these dead things, fam. What is this? Owsley? I mean, Owsley's cool, but yeah, look, this is all you get, fam. The same old tired rubber cases. That's it. You don't get no special things from there. So yeah, it's very mad. If you want to copy, you have to kind of get it from US. But anyway, let's get back into the unboxing. All right, so let's go. Let's get this unboxing unboxed. Boom. Here it is. Here's the thing. Oh, okay. All right. All right. What's this we got here? Official licensed Nintendo cleaning cloth, bro. You get me? Nintendo logo and all sorts of official things out here. All right. What's this as well? Official Nintendo Switch polystyrene things, fam. Look at the flex on that. You can't get this anywhere else. Perfectly shaped, just like a Nintendo Switch, fam. Look at it, bruv. Bruv, you're telling me these people don't give you quality. And this is the actual thing right here. RDS Industries Incorporated. Let's get a zoom in on what it actually says there in the middle. Was it? Torrance, what? Torrance, California? Okay. 2017 thing. So what? This come out last year. A man's only just seen it now. What is this logo in the middle though? Yeah, that logo is a bit mad. I'm not sure if it's a flower or a scorpion or something, fam. But it looks very mad. But yeah, no, it looks the business. I mean, like immediately when I'm holding it as well, if I can get some focus, I can actually show you guys. These grips here on the side, they're kind of a rubberized plastics. They're a bit more tacky than this plastic bit in the middle. I just realized you got the official Nintendo branding, Nintendo Switch branding there as well. Yeah, this feels comfy. This feels comfy. It feels like you're holding two Joy-Con grips, but with more like tactile feedback or tactile touch. I'm not even sure what to call it. They're just bare rubbery. Let me let you guys look at that. Just look at that, fam. That is, yeah. Fits my hand perfectly, fam. There you go. Fits your hand perfectly. I got the big hand as well. So let's get the moment of truth. Chuck the, wow. Okay, we're there already. We are there already. Can you imagine that we're there already, fam? Let me just turn down the brightness of the Switch so you guys can see what's really going on right here. Boom. That's it. And you can still see the glory of the Switch right there. Fam, this is... we're living now. That's it. We're living. No more getting cramped when you're playing, you know, a little bit of Fortnite or something on the go. No more of that, fam. You got, yo. Yeah, this is feeling legit. This is it right here. This is what we came here for. It's feeling nice, guys. And these, as I said, these bits here, they're just, obviously it's very hard for me to describe them, but they're almost like your your casual TPU phone case rubber cover, fam. They're rubber, but they're not so soft that you can, oh yeah, you can kind of make marks in them. Can you see that? You can kind of make marks in them. That's how soft they are, but they're hard at the same time, so you could get quite a bit of drop protection if it dropped on these. But yeah, that's how quickly it actually fits. That's how simple it is. And then when you want to take it off, fam, you just take it off. It's just not long. A lot of my other cases, they're a bit tricky to take off, I'm not going to lie. But this is easy on, easy off. I don't know what more I can say, guys. It's very simple. It does its job. They've got one from Satisfy coming out as well. It was a Kickstarter thing. So we're going to see if, you know, that's any good as well. But yeah, I'm just going to show you some, you know, let's get you some zoom ins, fam. Everybody likes a bit of zoom in, you know what I'm saying? Right, there's it. There it is right there. Just show you what's really going on. It looks a bit ugly on the back, I'm not going to lie, but it leaves space for the kickstand. It leaves space for all the ports, obviously. There you go. And most importantly, it doesn't really cover your switch too tough, so it allows it to get ventilation and stuff like that. The only thing, as you may be already realizing, is it doesn't offer a lot of drop protection. So when you drop your switch, yeah, it's still going to be a wrap. But hopefully, with all this grip, you're not going to drop it in the first place. But yeah, no. Official Nintendo licensed thing out here. It's looking very sick. I like it. I feel it. I actually feel it. Yo, let me just take this. This might be the. This might have to be the thumbnail, fam. Right here. Boom. Official Nintendo Switch licensed thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Subscribe, like, and I will catch you in the next one. Jamo out.